Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the need for speed unbound crashing, freezing or not launching on PC. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then click on the device manager options. So here, we will look for the display adapters, and once found, please make a click on the arrow before it, and then you will see the graphics card in your device. All you need to do is just to select it, make a right click, and then click on update driver. And once you do that, you will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So please click first the first option that says search automatically for drivers. Once you do that and it said that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just go back and then select now the second option that says browse my computer for drivers. Now here we don't want to search for drivers in the C drive. All we need to do is just to click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Once you click on that, you will see all the driver versions in your device, and just make a click on the you can go and roll back. You can choose or select the older version of the graphics or the card, I mean the driver. And then once you have now chosen, please click on next and it will be installed in your device, and then just make a quick restart. See if the graphic driver or the driver version is working with your device, working for you, or um, it's compatible with your device. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to go to settings, and we can do that by simply making again a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings. So in the left pane you will see the system option, so please click on that, and the very first option under system is display, monitors, brightness, night light, and display profile. So please click on that, and then once you do that, you will see there the graphics under related settings. So please click on graphics, and if you found your application that needs uh that needs high or for speed unbound crashing, then all you need to do is just to click on that. For example, is if this is the app, click on that, and then click on the GPU preference, this drop down button here. Click on the high performance AMD Radeon graphics or any graphics card that you have. Just please select the high performance option here, and then once done, you can now exit or close this one as well as this one. And this time we will update the windows. So I'll go again with your settings, and then at the very bottom part in the left pane you will see the Windows update. Click on that. You will see here if you're up to date or not. So if in case in your part or in your device you're not up to date, please download all the pending downloads and installments that needs to be installed in your device. And then you can also click on this check for updates button here to check for updates, and then after the updates, just make a quick restart with your device and then you're good to go. Okay, so here in your desktop, right click on need for speed icon. For example, if this is it, just make a right click, click on run as administrator option. So we will look for run as administrator option, this one. Click on run as administrator option and then see if it's working in your device. Okay, and if it's not, just type here in the Windows search tab CMD, and then you will see under best match the command prompt. So click on run as administrator and then just click on yes. So in here in this black window, all you need to do is just to type sfc space / scannow. And once you see that, or once you're done typing, all you need to do is just to click on enter, and it will now begin the system file checker. And then let's just wait for the verification process to be complete, 100% complete. And then if it's done, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye bye.